I know why KK got you riding around with a motherfucker ass now. Why? Shit, I'm so she get these men folks up on her head. All that goddamn ass you got, you sitting up in that motherfucker car, huh?
Might be true on that.
No, it might be true on that.
Yeah, you got the
you even need, yeah, let me put that motherfucker shit. Look at that ass right there. Good God, oh my. What you think, Smiley?
Them butt pads.
Them butt pads. No, you gotta come back and get this motherfucker. Ain't nobody gonna hand you shit. Shit.
Look at him. Look at him.
Them butt pads.
Yeah, you gotta come.
My sister gonna see that.
Huh?
My sister gonna see it, and they gonna know it's your ass.
Hey YouTube, what's happening? This is OG Triple. Got a very unusual circumstances that happened to my sister-in-law, and this is what we're gonna be doing here at the shop today. We're gonna show you guys how to put a rear windshield glass in a 2016 Nissan Altima. Stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, welcome back. It's 0000. The glass man is just about got the window, the old window out, and man, we vacuuming the all the glass out of it. Okay, can I get you unlocked? Just gonna let y'all see a little bit of that, vacuum all the glass out of the pores and all that, and then I'll be back when it's time to install it. He's putting the side panels back in now. I had to remove them to get all the glass out the way. There's a lot of glass in there. People just don't realize just how much glass gets in these cars once the windows get busted. So glass man had to remove these side panels and get all the glass that fell down in between there all out of there. Now he's installing the side panels back in there, and got a plug in. Oh, you already know that's the defroster. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, he got. Yeah, I got you. I got another customer that came up that has a I want to say 0304 Honda Accord that has a check engine light on. It said it was an O2 sensor. So I'm gonna run a scan on it to see exactly which O2 sensor it is, and let you guys see that process, and then we'll go from there as far as replacing it and what brand that I normally use here at the shop. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that follow me button, because I can't do this without you guys. So show me a little love. Still putting the inside panels in. you. We'll put you on video when we get back to the shoes. Maybe we get you like, huh? I already told him on the phone how much it is. I told him. That's that 60. You said what, right? Mark, in advance. Guys, we're going to start back up just as soon as we start reinstalling the window. We are still putting the panels on the side right here, on both sides. These right here are for the defroster for the windshield, okay? Because your back glass has defrosters made inside the glass. So when we start to assemble this here, I'll come back on. Okay, guys, we're back. Right now, he's in the process of gluing the window down. See the back of his shirt. Richmond's Auto Glass. There's a phone number. I've been knowing this guy for years, man, and every time a customer come for a windshield and that type of stuff, I always tell him to call him, because that's something we just don't do here at the shop. I don't have time to be messing around with these windows. Let a professional do it. So once again, Richmond's Auto Glass, there's the phone number. And the best thing about Rich here is mobile. Comes to you. And he also does the insurance claims and those things of that nature. If you guys got any questions on that, there it is right there. Okay. Now that he got the glue, got that nice bead laid all the way across the window, especially in your high traffic areas right here. That's where your water gonna fall down and sit at majority of the time. And here's the process. Where you at? Okay, that's fine. Okay, good deal. Get you up close. Suction cup. Pretty cool, huh? And what he's doing now, he's putting the trimming back up in the inside of it. All your trimming from the inside of the car down on the panel, hooking up the defroster. That's how it's done. There's not a simple job. You just got to know what you're doing. So don't try to do this if you don't know what you're doing. But this video should help you and give you some type of knowledge on what's going on and what the glass professionals will have to go through to change the front. Is a little bit rougher than the back, because you have to remove all your trimming around the front, along with the windshield wipers, the windshield wiper trim. You'll have to remove all of this. The trim going down the side right there, all of that must be removed to do the front. So the back is a little bit, but it's still a lot of work because the inside panels just got to come off. So it evens out. It evens out. All right. I hope this video helped some of you guys out there. Don't forget, OG Triple was gonna be doing a lot of things here at the shop this year. Got a lot of great guys coming by. We're gonna visit a lot of guys that I've been knowing for years and years and years. The majority of all the guys that I deal with that's in my circle has their own things. Meaning they run their own shops of some sort, and we're gonna take them a visit, and they're gonna give you a tour and a guide on what they do, how they do it. We work on automobiles here, along with motorcycles. So I got some work going on with some of the motorcycles. Like my wife's, I got to upgrade her stereo. With mine, I'm gonna have to put turn signals in it. When I bought it, it was an old bike. When I bought it, it didn't have no turn signals in it. Now I want turn signals, and I'm gonna wire it, and I'm gonna take you guys through that process. So I'm hooking up a turn signal flasher for LED lights. Okay. That's it for this video.